This is outrageous. Look at this channel. This channel makes simple, funny, sticky animation videos, like this. And they have over 11 million subscribers. When we look at their social blade, we can see that they roughly make $500,000 a month. That is just insane. Let's say it is only 10% of that. That'd be still a whopping $50,000 a month. And this is not the only channel. Look at this Instagram account, for example. It only has 97 videos and already over 150,000 followers. And they also make simple, funny, sticky animations. Just look.
Does your friend speak English? Yes. Name? Willie Ben Chan. Sex? 3 to 4 times a week.
That is just another proof that these kind of videos are trending and big cash cows. So now you also want to know how to make these kind of videos. Well, you're in luck, because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own funny, sticky animations with AI. I will show you all the tips and tricks, and on top of that, I will show you at the end of the video what's in this box. So, are you excited? Well, let's jump right in, like you're a kangaroo from Australia. Okay, first of all, and you probably know the drill, you need to be funny. Haha, no. Okay, yeah, I'd be very useful in this case, but what I wanted to say is, first of all, we need a good script. Yeah, like always, every viral video starts with a good script. And for this kind of script, we need funny stories or funny conversations. There are many ways to find such funny stories or conversations, like you could come up with this yourself. Maybe you've encountered or heard a funny conversation, or you could, for example, find them on Pinterest. Just go to Pinterest and search for funny conversation between two friends. Now you will get a plethora of images of funny conversations which you can use for your video script. Let's say you like this one. Just click on the image. And now click on the link to see the entirety of it all. Next to Pinterest, you can also find these funny conversations on Quora or Reddit. Just use Google and search for funny conversations between two friends or father and son. But today, we are going to use Chat-GPT for our script generation. So let's head over to Chat-GPT. And before we can ask for a script, I will tell you the following. After analyzing the viral sticky animation videos, I can tell you that they are passing a message in a funny and light way. So we need to make sure our script is funny and conveys a message. So let's ask Chat-GPT the following. Hey, I want to make short videos for YouTube that will be funny but convey a message. The video format should be in conversation style. Can you please write some script for me? Okay, that is perfect. To edit our script some more and even add our own humor to it, let's copy and paste the text to Google Docs. You can use Google Docs for free, and here you can write and edit text. Now that we've got our script, it is time we bring the script to life in the form of a voiceover. You can obviously record your own voice reading those scripts. Like, yeah, maybe you've got the perfect funny voice for stuff like that, who knows? But I know that I prefer to use the AI text-to-speech generator 11 Labs. So let's go to 11 Labs. We can use it for free. Now we need to pick and choose our voiceover. Go to Voice Library, and then click on Conversational. Then you can specify it even more, as per your character from the script. Now here are plenty of voices to choose from. Listen to their preview to determine if you like it or not. Now we need to pick 2 different voices since we have 2 characters in our script. So click on Add to my voices. Give it a name. I will give it the name of the corresponding character of our script. And then press Add Voice. After you've picked them, go to Speech. Now select the voice for the character and copy and paste their text in the text box. And then hit Generate.
Jamie, I don't think I'm ever going to get this report done. I've been working non-stop for hours.
Now download it. And do the same for the second time they speak. And so on. And also generate the other script texts for the other character. Here is a little tip. Give each voiceover you downloaded a number and the name of the character. Not only is it very organized, but this way we can edit 100 times faster. By the way, I bet you're still eager to know what is in this box, right?
Oh, what's in the box?
Well, just be patient, LOL. Now, it is time for the next step. And I am very excited for this one. This one is really next level, because now we are actually going to animate our video. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to create sticky animations now. To do that, we are going to use the Adobe YouTube Animator. So just go to Google and search for Adobe YouTube Animation and go to this website. The best part of all, it is completely free to use. Now click on Create Now. Here on the right, we have the option to choose from a lot of different characters from different categories to use for our animation. Next, we can change the background. They even have the option to export it with a green background. That will be helpful if you would like to remove the background in a video editing software, for example. And lastly, we can choose the dimensions of our video in size. Now, okay, for the character, we will use this sticky little man right here. That'll be perfect. And then for the background, let's pick this one. And for the size, we will do this vertical one. That way we can upload them as shorts, reels, or TikToks. And guys, the more humor you add, the more you put in of your own creativity, the better your result will be. So you really do not need to copy and paste everything exactly as is. Just use this as your guide and add your personal touch to it. Next, we're going to add the voiceover from 11 Labs. Just click on Browse, and then select the first text part of your first character. Now it will animate the character from the audio we provided. All right, there it is. Let's have a peek.
Jamie, I don't think I'm ever going to get this report done. I've been working nonstop for hours.
That looks amazing. Let's download it immediately. Okay, to be able to download it, we need to log in or sign up first. I'm simply going to connect my Google account. Okay, perfect. Now we get to download the animation. Next, we are also going to animate the other parts of the voiceover. So simply click on Back and then upload the second voiceover for the first character. So click on Replace Audio and then Browse, select the second speech. Do this process over and over again till you've animated all the voiceover parts from the first character. Now next we need to animate the voiceovers from the second character. Since we make a sticky animation video, we will use the same sticky character, but we will make it smaller and reposition it so it looks like another character. And by the way, we will edit it later some more so it really looks like that's a second character. Now click on Browse and select the first voiceover from the second character and download it. Do this for all the voiceover text parts from the second character. Now we almost got all the footage we need to make a viral sticky animation video. But one key ingredient is missing: sound effects. Sound effects are essential in conveying the message to the audience that our video is funny. So go to Google and search for funny sound effects. You will find plenty to use. Now it is time we start cooking everything up in a video editing software. You can use any video editing software of your choice, but we are going to use CapCut. It is free and ooga booga easy to use. So let's open a new project and drop all the animation footage into the timeline. And now it's just a matter of rearranging the clips and making sure that it aligns with our script. After you've done that, we need to select the clips from our second character. And now click on the mirror button. This way we get the impression there are two different characters in conversation with each other. To accentuate that even more, we are going to add names to each character. So just go to Text and drag a text box into the timeline. Write the character's name and put it above his head or on his t-shirt. And of course, choose a nice font and style. Do this also for the other character and copy and paste them. Now we will add some effects. Go to Transitions and drag a transition between two clips. I'm going to use the left-right transition, so it really looks like someone is standing left and the other one is standing right. And here is a little trick. Be sure to select the clip and the text and do a right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Do this for all the clips and text, because this way you also animate the text with it. It just looks better. Did you know that more than 50% of people that watch short-form content watch it on mute? Well, me neither. But it seems that many people have their device on mute while watching short-form content, so therefore we are going to add some nice catchy and flashy captions. So go to Text again, and then choose Auto Captions, and let it generate some captions for you. Now you can, if you want, choose a template there on the right to make the captions look more visually appealing. That's all up to you. I even changed the color of the text when the second character is talking to red. Be sure to uncheck Apply to all. And for those who watch the video with sound on, let's also add the funny sound effects we downloaded earlier. This is me editing in real-time speed. When you are done, just export your video and upload it to YouTube, TikTok, X and Instagram. Wait, what is that? Oh yeah, almost forgot. I wanted to show you what's in this box right here, right? Well, I will show you, but first we are going to watch the end result.
Jamie, I don't think I'm ever going to get this report done. I've been working nonstop for hours.
Have you tried taking a break?
A break? You mean like a vacation or something?
No, just a short break. You know, like a 5-minute breather.
5 minutes. That's a lifetime in work hours.
It's actually a productivity booster. I read somewhere that short breaks help you stay focused and get more done.
Really? I thought they'd just waste time.
Trust me, watch this.
What are you doing?
Just a little dance break. It's scientifically proven to make you happier and more productive.
I can't argue with science.
Plus, it's like hitting the reset button for your brain. You'll come back to your work refreshed.
Okay, you've convinced me. I'll try it. But if I come back dancing, you're in charge of explaining it to the boss.
Deal. But don't worry, you'll be too productive to be dancing.
You were right. I feel better already.
Told you, it's all about balance. Work hard, take breaks, repeat.
Next thing you know, you'll be telling me to take a nap at my desk.
Hey, I'm just here to help you keep your sanity.
And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own sticky animations and go viral. Make $1 million, have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe. But wait, who is in the box? Oh my God, that's my dad. Dad, what are you doing there?
Don't you worry about me. I just want to send everyone who's watching a well-deserved cookie. Now go ahead, boy, and end the video.
Okay, well, if you say so. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.